Welcome back to our channel. We just get done ordering this a couple days ago and it finally came. So now we're gonna bring it in and we're gonna put it together. Okay, so we're gonna also do an open box and we're gonna give you 100% honest review. It's an electric bike called Lectric Bike.
Silly. Electric bike right there. Look at it right now. Okay, let's get this in the house and do an open box.
Oh yeah.
Okay, welcome back to our channel. As you probably saw us unboxing this bike when it came. Not just any bike, but an electric bike. So we're going to show you how easy it is to put this thing together. It's just literally going to take just a few minutes, I believe. So give us a thumbs up on the way in. And let's see how easy this is to assemble. Come on in. Okay, Levi, you're gonna help me put this thing together, right?
That's what it sounds like.
That's what it sounds like. All right, how easy is this? So, as you saw, we unboxed it. And the first thing I think you probably want to do is take these handlebars. Now, was there a tool?
I feel like we should bend this so it stands.
Okay, let's do that then. Let's set that up, put it together. Let's see, let me show, let's see what it looks like. When this is pushed together here, what do we have here? We have this little thingy here. So pull out on that, and you kind of lift up just a little bit because there's this little pin down here. Let me zoom in so you can see it. So you got this little bolt. You pull this out, lift up a little bit, and it snaps right into place. So it's together. And then next, put the kickstand down, and there it's down like that. And next,
silver thing.
Okay.
Pull this up.
Okay, yep. You pull up on that. Apart. Let's take off this safety thing, and then this just snapped right into place.
Yeah.
And then we'll get rid of that zip tie. And next, we got the handlebars down here. We pick this up. And then how do we know how this is going to be turned? Well, it's kind of, this is the tall tail right here because this is the display. So you want that facing toward you so you know it won't be which way. Stick that down in here.
And you can tell exactly which way to do it.
Oh, because there's a flat piece on here, and then this is round, and you line up the flat edge and stick that down in there. Okay, we got this in here. You said what? The keys?
Yeah.
What do we need keys for on an electric bike? There's no engine to start this thing up. Well,
I don't see anything.
they have keys for a reason.
Better find out where it is.
What's inside here? The battery! The keys is how you... Underneath here is where you use the keys for. So go ahead and cut those off. And let's try this out, what the keys are for. Okay. In order to get the battery out, you need this set of keys, but we'll demonstrate that later in the video. So what else do we need to do to get this thing ready to ride? Yep, take that off. There was one on this side and one on that side. And we'll take these safety things off that you need to read. And then we'll get rid of this safety tag as well. And then there's one up here as well on the handlebars. And we got two over here we'll get rid of. Okay, and then you can undo the seat to put it to right height. And once you demonstrate this. And that's it, huh?
Looks about it.
I bet that only took 6 minutes, right? If that.
Probably.
6 minutes. We have a safety thing to take off there. So with that being said, it can be intimidating putting this thing together, but when you watch this video, you can see exactly how easy it is. It is as easy gets. So give this video a thumbs up on your way out. We're going to come out with a couple more videos about these bikes in the future. So subscribe so you don't miss out on those as well. We're going to do a review after we use this bike for a while, and then we'll go ahead and do a video of how you set up this display and all those kind of things as well. So thank you for watching, and you have yourself a great day.